You trust your service center with your car. But what if that trust is quietly costing you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars? What if that genuine part isn't real? That urgent repair isn't even a necessary? Or that simple oil change isn't even done properly? So here are the top 10 Citroën service center scams you didn't know about. 10. Parts that are out of stock until you pay more. Let's start with how a simple part suddenly becomes impossible to find the moment your car hits the service bay. A lot of Citroën owners say certain parts, rear wiper arms, trim pieces, even clutch components, are magically on back order. But the moment you agree to a pricier alternative or extra labor, suddenly there's a solution. That delay isn't always bad luck. It's sometimes a tactic. You're nudged toward faster, more expensive fixes, or upsold services while you wait. So how do you avoid this? Keep records. Ask for written timelines. And if things feel off, contact official Citroën support, not just the dealership. Funny how clarity shows up when there's accountability. And just when you think delays are the worst thing they can do, they switch tactics. And this next one plays with your fear instead of your patience. 9. Warranty fear tactics. What if I told you the biggest thing you're buying at a service center isn't parts? It's fear. You're told, fix this now or risk voiding your warranty. That pressure? It works. Most drivers don't want to gamble with a new car, so they say yes, fast. But not every issue affects your warranty, and not every repair is urgent. So what separates real warnings from scare tactics? Ask them to show you the exact warranty clause, in writing. Real service advisors don't intimidate. Once you realize that, the whole game changes. And once fear gets you to say yes, the next step is even sneakier. They start adding things you never actually agreed to. 8. Unapproved add-on services. You drop your car off for a routine service. So why does the bill come back looking like a full rebuild? Many owners report getting charged for extras, wheel alignment, a C cleaning, engine flush, without clearly approving them. The explanation? It was recommended, or done for safety. But recommended doesn't mean authorized. So why do people still end up paying? Because in that moment, arguing feels awkward. The car's already done, the bill's printed, and you're put on the spot. The fix is simple. Get everything approved in writing before work starts. If it wasn't approved, challenge it. A legit service center never sneaks in optional work and calls it mandatory. And while you're busy trusting the work being done, here's where things get even more questionable. 7. Fake part quality claims. What if the genuine part you paid for wasn't actually genuine? Some Citroën owners have found that service centers quietly swap in cheaper aftermarket or even used parts while charging full OEM prices. Filters, sensors, brake components, all things you trust blindly. And the scary part? These parts don't always fail immediately. They slowly mess with performance, and you never trace it back to that service visit. So, how do you catch something designed to be invisible? Ask for proof, packaging, part numbers, warranty details. Don't skip this. Cross-check if needed. A genuine service center won't get defensive. If they do, that's your answer right there. But even if the parts were real, the way you're charged for the work can still quietly drain your wallet. 6. Duplicate billing for the same job. Have you ever looked at a service bill and felt like you were paying for the same thing twice? You think you are imagining or overanalyzing, but you're actually not. Some centers break down one simple job into multiple fancy-sounding charges. Inspection, diagnosis, calibration, testing, when it was really one process. Or they list the same fluid or consumable in two different sections. On paper, it looks detailed. In reality, it's padded. So why does this work so often? Because most people just want their car back and don't question technical terms. Slow down, read line by line, ask what overlaps. If something feels repeated, it probably is. A legit bill explains itself without hiding behind jargon. Now, if even one of these made you think, wait, that's happened to me, hit that like button, because more people need to see this before they get overcharged too. And subscribe, not for boring car content, but for the stuff service centers hope you never find out. Because what's coming next is where things get even harder to catch. 5. The free inspection trap. A free inspection sounds harmless, right? So how does it turn into a $500 surprise? You walk in for a quick check, and suddenly your car has a critical list. Brakes, suspension, battery, AC, everything. It feels urgent, it feels real, but sometimes it's more about creating panic than fixing problems. So are all those issues fake? Not always, but here's the twist. Many are exaggerated or speculative. That free inspection is really a sales funnel. The smart move? Treat it as a second opinion, not a final verdict. For anything expensive, step out, verify elsewhere, and then decide. Now let's talk about something that feels too basic to question, and that's exactly why it's so easy to manipulate. 4. Oil change overbilling. It's just an oil change. So how does it quietly become one of the biggest scams? Well, some Citroën service centers charge you for premium oil, but pour in a cheaper one. Or they bill for a full change while only draining part of the old oil. Sometimes, even the oil filter isn't replaced. On paper, everything looks perfect. Under the hood, not so much. And why is this such a big deal long term? Because the wrong oil grade slowly wears your engine down. You won't notice immediately, but months later, performance dips, and you're left wondering why. The smart move? Ask to see the sealed oil container, note the grade, and check levels after. If they get irritated, you've just learned more than they wanted you to. Because once you stop questioning the simple stuff, they can start convincing you of problems you can't even see. 3. Fake diagnostic issues. What if your car's serious electronic issue doesn't actually exist? Modern cars rely on software, and that gives some service centers the perfect cover. You're told there's a sensor failure, a module issue, or a deep electrical fault. Something that sounds expensive and urgent, but in many cases, it's either minor or completely made up. So, how do they make it sound so convincing? By using technical language you can't easily verify. Deep scan, module reset, calibration. It all sounds legit. Flip the script. Ask for the exact diagnostic code and what it means. If they can't explain it clearly, you're not looking at a real problem. You're looking at a sales pitch. And when they've convinced you something is wrong, the next move is obvious. Replace parts that didn't even need replacing. 2. The unnecessary replacement trick. Have you ever gone in for a basic service and come out with a full parts replacement list? Here's the reality. Service advisors sometimes push you to replace parts that still have life left. Filters, brake pads, fluids, even sensors. Why? Because it boosts the bill fast, and most people don't question it. But how do they make you say yes so easily? They lean on urgency. It's worn. It could fail. Better to change now. Sounds reasonable, right? But worn doesn't always mean urgent. Always ask for the old part back and a clear reason for replacement. No proof, no approval. That one habit alone can save you hundreds. And all of this leads to the final layer of the game, where even the most routine service quietly turns into an expensive surprise. 1. Overcharging mandatory services. Your routine service was supposed to be simple, so why does the bill look like a major repair? You see, some Citroën centers turn basic checks into premium line items. Tire pressure, fluid top-ups, brake inspection, all billed separately. Things that should be part of a standard service suddenly become chargeable extras. So what's the trick behind the inflated total? It's all in the breakdown. Multiple small labor charges stack up, and before you know it, a basic visit costs way more than it should. The fix? Ask for a line-by-line explanation and compare it with the official service schedule. If basic checks are being billed like luxury work, call it out. So, have you ever been overcharged at a Citroën service center or caught something shady just in time? Drop your story below. And hey, if you're not secretly a mechanic undercover, hit subscribe. Now pick your next ride. Our deep dive on hidden Citroën features, or let YouTube surprise you with something it knows you'll love.